Stephen, my love, you like to say we are a tree, you and me. And I have always loved that, because in every season of life, we will continue because our roots are so strong. I love how we move through life as a team, each step grounded in honesty, vulnerability, emotional availability, and an unwavering commitment to support each other's happiness. You make me feel safe, seen, and understood. You respect me for who I am and who I am becoming. In all of our moments, I am exactly where we are meant to be. We are exactly where we're meant to be. I promise to never expect balance or to look upon each other with comparison. For love is not measured in percentages. I instead vow to always give my best, knowing some days that you will carry me, and some days I will carry you. I promise to protect our marriage, not just with words, but with actions, through patience and respect. I promise to stand by your side and to laugh with you when life gets messy. Through every adventure, and to cheer you on in your dreams. I promise to believe that the best is yet to come. And above all, I choose you every day for the rest of our lives. You are my home, my adventure, my forever. I make this commitment in love, I keep it in faith, and each day I vow to renew with all my heart.
Lauren, my love, I love you.
Yes.
From the moment you walked into my life, I knew in a way that defied logic, that felt truer than anything I had known before. My heart, which was once my own, found its home in your hands, and that's the safest place it's ever been. We're like a tree, you and me. Rooted in love, growing together, reaching new heights, while always staying grounded in what matters most. We're like the sea, you and me, ever-changing, moving through life's currents, but always finding our way back to one another. I promise to love you, not just in the easy moments, but in the ordinary moments, the quiet Sunday mornings, the late night whispers, the space between laughter, where life truly happens. I promise to keep learning you, to love you the way you need, to show up for you every single day. Lauren, my love, you're my greatest adventure, my safest place, my serendipity. Today, I vow to choose you over and over, in every way, in every season, for the rest of my life. I am yours, completely, endlessly, forever yours. Siempre.
Oh, this no ordinary love. Yeah, me in awe of you now. This unconditional devotion got my heart so wide open, lifting my spirit like a Holy Ghost. Oh, this love, no ordinary love. Yeah. Your kiss, a sky full of stars. Now I got a purpose, I got a reason. If all of the world gave me a whole new meaning. I got a person that made me believe in more than words could show you how I'm feeling. Hey, I know this is no ordinary love. Yeah. I know this is no ordinary life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate, blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze, do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good. Like we're at a buffet full of good feelings, and it's all looking lovely. Somebody pass me the bubbly. Feet in the clouds and we're just kicking, glass in our hands and we're just sipping. And it's about that time, thinking we arrived. So let's let go of necessary, forget about the ordinary. Yeah, we don't need all that, we could just lay back, let the moment last. Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate, blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze, do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good. Sky so blue and the birds sing out, the merry-go-rounds boom, yeah. The kind kind of feeling that you won't get back. So find a way to make the moment last. Let's have a taste of everything. It's all right here, just beckon in. Put it on your plate, it's amazing. We can have it all.